Hey there, I'm Paul Cazarez, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to our brand new level design course with Elevator. As a lead level designer at Gala Games and an industry veteran who's worked on player favorite games like Ratchet and Clank, World of Warcraft, and Diablo 4, and many more, I'm here to guide you through the fascinating world of level design. Wondering if this course is right for you? Whether you are a gaming industry professional or a beginner with some game engine background, our sessions are tailored to fulfill your thirst for learning and enhance your skills. By the end of our sessions together, you'll have mastered the principles of level design, learned how to create player-centric environments, understood the art of creating truly immersive gaming experiences, so much more. What makes our course truly unique? Alongside our comprehensive lectures, I'll be available for weekly office hours, ensuring you receive personalized guidance. Plus, get ready for in-class workshops and a final project where you'll bring your whole unique game level to life. The gaming industry is booming, and there's an ever-growing demand for skilled level designers. Our course isn't just about learning, it's about empowering you to create, innovate, and shape the future of gaming. So, are you ready to embark on this game-changing journey with me? Can't wait to see you in class.